Hello. So you're making your video and maybe you're looking for an image or a video clip that you just can't take yourself. Maybe you, I don't know, need some footage from the Himalayas and you're nowhere near the Himalayas. I don't know. Well, typically what people would do intuitively is go to the internet and do a search. So let's say, for example, I wanted to get a shot of water pollution. So I go to Google and I search water pollution and you go to images. It's a very natural thing to do. However, this can actually put you in a situation where you're using images you do not have the rights to use. So what rights management means is the people who take the photos own the photos. If you shoot the video, you own the video, even if you upload it. You're not implicitly giving people the rights to use it just because you've uploaded it. Now, if you want to make sure that you've found an image that allows you to use it so that you can't get your video blocked at some point in the future for rights violation, what you can do is go over here to Tools and choose Usage Rights, Creative Commons License. Now this means that the owner of the photo, when they uploaded it, selected the Creative Commons license, meaning that they're okay with you to use it for creative uses. They are not allowing you to sell it or make money from it, but if you want to make something creative with it, go for it, right? So that's one technique to use. I actually don't recommend using Google image search for this. There are better ways to go because oftentimes you'll spend a lot of time in here and it'd take you to another site, then you can't download it and it's a hassle. I suggest you go to one of these two sites, Pixabay or Pexels. So if we go here to Pixabay, I want to show you, if I do a search for water pollution, you'll see there's a filter here and I can search for images or for videos. These are all free to use with the exception of this little strip up here where they're trying to trick you. They have a partnership with a company called iStock. If you click on this top band here, it's going to take you to iStock and they're going to try and sell you an image. If you just go down one row, these are all free, okay? So just avoid anywhere it says sponsored, avoid that, go down to free. And down here you can get further filters. So you could say, you know what, I want to go garbage. And there you go. Okay, some powerful images in there. Now you can also, of course, change this to from images to videos. And again, you'll see that tricky little top strip here where they're trying to take you to sell you those images, but down here are all the free ones. Some nice clips in there to use. Now the next site is Pexels. So we'll just go in here and water pollution. You can see again, we're on videos now. There's photos, 92,000 photos, 92,600 photos. That's a lot of photos to choose from. And you can see again, they've got additional, if you want to do just plastic pollution, you can do that, additional filters here. And then you can also switch to videos. And there's all your videos, and even some funny ones. That's kind of bizarre. All right, so there you go. And then let's just go back to, I don't know, plastic pollution, ocean. Yeah, wow, this is kind of depressing. Let's go back to sea turtles. That's less depressing. Look at that. Lots of free sea turtle videos. Just, you just watch them, or you can download them. Oh, one thing I should mention. When you go to download, we go here, we go click. You'll see as a free download, if you click on the little arrow here, you probably don't need the full resolution. You can go with 1920. That's a good video resolution right there, and that'll be fine for using in a video edit. Sometimes when you try to download the full resolution, it'll tell you that you need to log in. You need to create an account. You could create an account. It's free. It's just one extra step. If you don't want to create an account, just go down one level and download the large one for free. Click, download, done. Now, the other thing, this is nice convenience. It would be very good practice to go ahead and give a credit in your video to anybody whose photo or video you're using. It's good common courtesy and also sometimes can be the legally correct way to go. So this is really convenient. You can just copy that text right there and you can paste it into a document. What I would suggest you do is go find the image and just rename it to that right there. So that you remember it. Okay, so that's Pexels. The last thing I want to show you is around audio. And if you go to YouTube, You'll need to create an account, and again, it's free. But if you create an account, when you log in, you'll see your icon up here. This is my Aerosaur Oceans account. And you'll see there's a link here for YouTube Studio. This is for content creators. If you go to YouTube Studio, you can see this is the back end of our YouTube channel. And over here, you have an option for audio library. And under audio library, these are all audio tracks that are free to use. So if you're looking for something that's, I don't know, ambient and angry, you can just grab it. Kind of quirky. Let's go here. There's large smile mood. So you get the idea. There's all kinds of material in here. There's even sound effects. If we go up here, you can go to the sound effects library, and there we've got kids playing. Yeah, why not? Truck driving, straw squeaking. Yeah, I mean, that's annoying in real life and annoying in the recording too. There's forest bonfires, all kinds of stuff in here. There's a zombie, because you might need a zombie roar in your video. Okay, that was terrifying. Let's do something more fun. Well, that's nice. So yeah, a few sound effects in there and lots of free music. So there you go. Pixabay, Pexels, and YouTube Studio, a veritable treasure trove of videos, photos, and audio that are all free for you to use in your creations. Enjoy.